How to sign up for a new KakaoTalk account. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create a new account on KakaoTalk Messenger. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing that you need to do here is download the application. It's available both on Android and iOS. Once you have downloaded the application, you will be directly taken to the login portal. Here you have an option to enter your email or phone number and your password. Then once your login credentials are correct, you can just tap on login to sign into your account. But if you're new, you just have to tap on sign up. Now you have to check on all of the terms and conditions. Here it will need your phone permission, so just tap on OK. It will autofill your phone numbers. Now you'll just have to confirm that this is your phone number as you'll receive a verification code, so just tap on OK. Now you just have to tap on send verification message. So you'll just have to request the verification by sending the pre-written message right here. Now the verification may take a while, so you'll just have to wait for a bit, and once the verification is done, you should be able to sign into your new Kakao account. So it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.